Hello guys, my name is Rafa, I'm the head chef for Franco Manca, and today I'm going to show you guys how we make our tomato sauce. Okay guys, our tomato recipe is quite simple. We use those tomatoes which are quite sweet in flavor. They have this sweetness because of the soil and the weather, or where they come from. They come from the Campania area under the Mount Vesuvius in Naples, Italy. Now I'm gonna show you how we prepare these tomatoes at Franco Manca. All we're gonna do, you're gonna get a tin opener, open it through, put it in a bowl. You add a little bit of salt, around 20 grams. And then, using a potato masher, you're just gonna mash it until it becomes a sauce. Don't worry if you have some bits in the middle of the tomato, because that's what you want. You don't want to be like a plain, like smoothie sauce. You want to have some of the bits into it. So you can see that there are actually real tomatoes in here. The reason why we don't cook those tomatoes is because we want people to actually feel the flavor of it. If you cook them, they're gonna become quite heavy after in the pizza. So you want to feel the freshness and the lightness of the tomato when you have your pizza as well. Now that the tomato is quite smooth and you have just small bits into it, I'm gonna put the tomato sauce on the side, and I'll quickly open a pizza base and show you guys how to put the tomato on the base of the pizza. With the ladle, I'm gonna take a full ladle of tomato, place it all in the middle of the pizza. Then from the middle, you're gonna spread it around, leaving a bit of room on the edges, like a finger. Then from here you can add anything like mozzarella, hams, chorizos, whatever, and use it with your new perfect tomato sauce.